Wildman, and I work for City of Calgary for public art, and I do the finance side of things, the budgets and the accounts payable and the strategy for the spending. So,
and how's that work?
It's exciting. Like everything else at the city, we work within the 4-year budget cycles, and so that determines a lot of where the funding is. But along those timelines, we have the longer timelines of the collection, looking after the collection, and those are 20, 30, 50-year pieces of artwork that we own and look after. So I just help them stay organized and get organized in the beginning as a project is launching. I think having them start off the right way and start organized and start with a really good understanding of their budget and working with a realistic budget and getting that set up. And then once that's in place, setting up the tracking and the monitoring as they're keeping the momentum of the project, but also keeping the business side of it and running the project as a, it is a little business. It's like a separate little business, right? And so understanding that one is not going to run without the other. You don't get a lump of money to make cool art and then there's nothing to do at the end, right? So yeah.